Mirza Ghulam Rabbi Sahab asked this question to Huzur. He says, in a multicultural society from New York. The question is, in a multicultural society, how can we, intercultural, this harmony and integration, how can it be kept?
Well, there is no problem about sharing the culture of others if it is not un-Islamic. All other cultural values which are not against Islam can be followed. Like a nosegay with different flowers. Different flowers have their own color and beauty and fragrance. Similarly, cultural mix-up is good if the basic quality of those who mix is good. If you follow the culture of those who are against Islam, who have their values against Islam, then this culture is, then mixture with this culture is not permitted.